All right, let's try it out. All right, guys, as you've seen, she is alive. I still have to adjust the idle and all that. I still have to put all the other stuff in, and as you can see, after 2 years of a kind of rebuilding and all this, she is finally alive. She finally turns on. I still have to, like I said, do a lot of things to get her going, but other than that, she is ready to be put on the street again. A few minor things here and there, and yeah, she'll finally be out of this garage. I can't even talk. I'm just super excited about it, and yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy, guys. It's just I'm happy. I'm beyond happy, I guess. Oh my god! So yeah, it's there. She is alive. The next thing is probably hooking up the radiator and all the other stuff. I'm still debating on the AC, if I should install the AC and all the cooler and all that stuff for the AC. But yeah, we'll figure out soon. The Brembos are also ready to be installed as well. What else? Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a EGR delete on this one. I'm gonna remove that just to keep the manifold and all that clean. Gotta do the resistor on it as well, so just so I don't get the check engine light. Other than that, it's just a rebirth of the 428 Eclipse. Of course, the other one is next. So yeah, GSX is waiting for its turn, and yeah, super happy with this baby finally firing up. And like I said, Brembos are here. I will have them installed as soon as I connect all the bits and pieces down there on suspension. I know a lot of mess here, but yeah, I've been working on it, and just a crazy feeling that finally she is alive. And yeah. Of course, I'm still trying to figure out if I should go with a smaller Honda radiator, aluminum radiator, which is from the Del Sol, or I should just go back with the stock, and because it's gonna be a daily car, so I'm not planning to do anything on it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna probably go back with stock. The interior of this car is pretty much done. Everything is assembled, just needs seats, and it's ready to go. I do have a light, if you can see right here. When I close everything, the light is still on, so I probably have a switch either on one of the doors not working, so I gotta fix that. But anyway, you seen it. It started first time. Never have I thought that I'm gonna be doing this, but it's done, guys. She needs to be put back together, a little bit more parts, here and there, and she is ready to roll out. Anyway, guys, thank you again for watching and sticking around for my story about this car. I'm glad that I managed to record as many as possible for you guys so you can check it out. Of course, thanks for subscribers as well. Of course, if you're new, consider subscribing. It's gonna be more videos are coming, and yeah, thank you again, guys, and stay safe. Laters.